G'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here. It's been a long time. It's been a very long time since I kind of addressed anything, I guess. I'm back in the old garage at the moment. We're just changing out a battery, which I probably should do a video on how to save some like hundreds of dollars on a battery for anyone out there that's a bit more price savvy. But I thought I'd do this just sort of off the cuff. To talk about a few little bits and pieces that have been going on, and the reason why I haven't really been uploading anything. In the last, I think 2 years maybe, I've only posted maybe 6 videos. Last year I think I only posted maybe 2 for the whole year. And the reason is, majority of it is that we moved, and the garage is a little bit tighter to work with. You would have seen in videos that it's only a single car garage, so sometimes I come back here and do some work. But the what am I trying to get at here? There's been no issues with any cars. We sold off a lot of the cars that were causing trouble, and I was just not enjoying doing videos anymore. I had enough content there to release it once or twice a week for a very long time, but after a while it wears you down because it becomes an actual job, not a video and like just making fun videos for you guys and learning stuff. But I did learn a lot from it, and I think it made me better sort of mechanic minded. I won't say am mechanic, because half the people on YouTube that do videos are self-proclaimed mechanics. But yeah, it was a bit hard, and it wore me down, and then I sort of took a break for a while. And over time I sort of just been fixing stuff here and there. I'll occasionally film it, and then come up with inspiration for ideas and using old videos. I've got videos sitting there that I haven't finished jobs, like they're literally, I'm looking at them now, and I started them like 8 months ago, and I just haven't finished them. I've got like stuff with the Vectra. Well, it's mostly the Vectra really, because that's the only car you can really work on at the moment, because our car, we got a Hyundai Tucson now. We've had it for 2 years. It's been an excellent car, and to keep it sort of in warranty and keep it all up to scratch, I've been getting that actually serviced by someone else, which kind of sucks because it's really expensive for what they're doing, and where I could have done it in the garage, because most of it's really basic. I still service like my in-laws car, the Vectra of course, and working out sort of random bits and pieces on other cars here and there, but most of the time it's so quick that it's no point making a video. So yeah, I've been in the background, I've been editing some videos, making some videos, and I'm going to release them soon. I just have to finish them. Sometimes I get a bit too in my head about making videos or editing videos, and it's sort of I want them to be really good, and sometimes they don't turn out that good, and it sort of disappoints me. But I've got a video that I filmed probably 4 years ago now, and I've been editing it, and I've just got to do a few little bits and pieces, a few voiceovers, and it will be released on this channel. It's originally going to be released on the other channel, Panda Explores, but it's more suited to this channel, and I think you guys would enjoy it a lot more. And yeah, it's a sort of a treasured video of mine, a really cool place in Australia, in Melbourne, that has a lot of motorsport history and significance. And so that will be popping up soon. And I also did a test drive of a car that I've been wanting to drive for a long time. Got to sort of make a video like this, sort of intro and outro, and explaining my day, because we filmed it all in the actual car itself. So those 2 videos are coming up. I'm hoping to get some more stuff now that sort of pandemic things are starting to sort of kind of calm down. I've got my old car that I want to bring home and work on that a bit, and possibly sell it down the line, because it could fund another vehicle in the future. So yeah, that's basically it. Family wise, we've added another person to our family in the last year, and so that takes up a lot of my time, and I bloody love it. Being a father's been one of the greatest things I could have ever imagined. So got that going all in the life. Videos out soon. I'm trying to commit more to making videos this year, but thank you all so much for joining me. hopefully you guys see it. If you guys enjoy these videos or enjoy previous videos or hate them, share them around. Want to sort of get everything back up and running again, because you guys have been so committed to the channel, especially a lot of new people we've been getting that have been subscribing and watching the videos. It's been really great through the pandemic, watching people and answering questions for people about cars that I've owned in the past, and all the videos on there that help you guys. Yeah, appreciate hearing from you. So yeah, hopefully 2022 is a better year for making content, and a better year for the world in general. So as always, well, for a long time I haven't done this, but my name's Matt. This has been Panda Garage, and hopefully you'll see that test drive video next, and then the video that I've been really wanting to put out will be coming out afterwards. So yeah, enjoy them, share them around, especially that second video. I think that one's going to be really good, and usually when I make something and put a lot of time into it, that's the one that always does the worst. So I guess we'll find out, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.